It's loud, it's relentless, and when it starts firing, enemies scatter. This is the M249 SAW, the squad automatic weapon that turned U.S. infantry squads into mobile firepower machines. But is it still the king of the battlefield? Or just a relic of wars past? Let's find out. Welcome to Squad Machine, the channel where we break down the weapons that shape the battlefield. Hit that subscribe button and lock in. Today, we're going deep into the legacy, power, and future of the M249 SAW. Back in the Vietnam War, U.S. troops relied heavily on the M60, a heavy beast that wasn't exactly squad-friendly. Soldiers needed something lighter, but still mean enough to lay down suppressive fire. Enter the Squad Automatic Weapon Program. In the late 70s, the U.S. Army wanted a machine gun that could match the enemy's volume of fire, but without slowing squads down. Belgium's F.N. Herstal had the answer, the Minimi. A light machine gun chambered in 5.56 NATO with a high rate of fire and, best of all, you could carry it like a rifle. In 1984, the U.S. adopted it as the M249 SAW, and it's been barking ever since. So what makes this machine tick? The M249 is a gas-operated, open-bolt, air-cooled machine gun. It can be belt-fed or magazine-fed. Yeah, you can shove in an M for mag if you're desperate, though it's not exactly smooth. It fires the 5.56 by 45 mm NATO round, same as the M4, at a blistering 750 to 1,000 rounds per minute. That's enough to pin down a whole squad of bad guys while your teammates flank. Overlay specs: weight, approximately 17 pounds loaded. Effective range, up to 800 meters area targets. Barrel, quick change system, feed system, 200 round belts or standing mags. It's got a bipod for stability, a shoulder stock, and that iconic top carry handle. Not exactly subtle, but you don't bring a SAW for stealth. You bring it to dominate. The M249's main job, suppression. In a fire team, it's the backbone of maneuver warfare. While riflemen shoot and move, the SAW gunner lays down continuous fire to keep enemy heads down. From the deserts of Iraq to the mountains of Afghanistan, SAW gunners became the tip of the spear. Soldiers praised its firepower and flexibility, but not everyone loved it. It was heavy, it could jam. And when the belts weren't loaded right, you had a 17-pound paperweight in your hands. For all its power, the M249 wasn't perfect. Over time, it struggled against modern threats, especially as combat shifted to urban warfare and longer patrols. Enter the next generation squad weapon program. The U.S. Army is now phasing in the XM250, chambered in a beefier 6.8 mm round. It promises better range, more power, and even lighter weight. So is the SAW finished? Not quite. While elite units and frontline squads are starting to receive the new weapons, the M249 still holds the line in many units, a testament to its decades of battlefield dominance. For nearly 40 years, the M249 SAW has been the war drum of American infantry. It brought the noise, it gave squads teeth. And while its time may be fading, its legacy is burned into the battlefield. Whether you carried one, fired one, or just watched it chew through belt after belt, the M249 will always be remembered as the gun that gave squads their machine. Thanks for watching Squad Machine. If you love military tech and battlefield legends, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more firepower every week. Until next time, keep your mags full and your squads tight.